Okay, trying to rig this spectrometer, it's diffraction gradient spectrometer, up on the cell phone. It's not going too well. A little blue tack. But this is a fluorescent tube of Phillips. I don't know what exactly. I'm guessing, yeah. Then this next to it is a. Oh, it might have got dirty. That's where it's not a good thing. Man, I can't get that to intensity. Darn. Yeah, it's a problem with this camera. Phone. Huh. I can't get it to... Bummer. That looks right. But... And these are the Goodwill lights. So... That seems to be showing up good. These are the LED lights. Interesting.